welcome back to my channel and happy Navratri everyone. So as you know कि Navratri is going on, so I thought I will share some experience of doing Devi Ji's portrait. As you can see, now we are going to start. So as you can see in my paper, I already did some drawing of portrait. So I did it very lightly with the normal HB pencil. So slowly I am going to tell you with soft pastels. So here I am using soft pastel pencils along with soft pastel colors. And here I am going to tell you this time how to bring out soft look in soft pastels. So I am planning not to apply directly on the paper, but I will first make it I will get ready my color on other paper, then slowly I will apply so that it will give look of softness, which usually I give in portrait of kids or these type of characters. Okay. So right now I am using soft pastel pencils, charcoal pencil, to do detailing in the eye. So in eye you can see there is a brown color, little bit green color and yellow ochre color. So I am applying first those color, then with pencil only I am trying to mix those colors. Then slowly I am using black charcoal pencil to do outline top part of the eye. Usually top part of the eye is always dark, so I am using charcoal pencil for that. Then in eyebrows I applied first brown color with the soft pastel pencils only. Then slowly I am adding black color, black charcoal pencil. Slowly I am working on lips also. So everywhere first all the detailing part I am giving with my pencils, because soft pastels, as you know, these are like very thick, there is no thin tip. So to do detailing it's difficult. So I am doing that part with my soft pastel pencils. Then I will use my soft pastel colors. So you can see I did red color in Tika, and lips also I did red and orange color. So and I am using butter paper to keep on those areas where I already finished my detail work. Otherwise soft pastels are basically chalk color. So if you will put your hand on top of that, so it will come in your hand, so all detailings will start messing up. So slowly now I am applying skin color on face. For that I used yellow ochre color, orange, scarlet red, little bit touch of skin color, which is available. All the colors are available in Camlin soft pastels. So first I take those colors on paper and I mixed there. Then slowly with cotton I applied on face. I didn't apply directly on face, and slowly I am adding colors or dark areas, like you know close to eye, and there are some areas where light will not go, those areas will be dark. So there I am trying to apply brown color so that depth will come. And I'm always, you can see, I'm mixing with my finger to mix it smoothly and bring out soft look. As compared to face, neck part is always dark, and in this face you can see light is coming from right side. So right side area is light and left side area I will make little bit darker as compared to right side. And neck is always darker than face. So I applied like close to nose, below the nose, below the chin. There I am trying to apply burnt sienna color and sepia dark brown pencil. After applying pastel color with cotton, maybe some part of eye and all, again I need to give finishing because color will come on eye and all also. So sharp line will start missing. So slowly I am working again with my pencil. Slowly I am trying to add some more color. And in soft pastel, plus point is कि we can go for light to dark and dark to light. In both ways it can work. So wherever I want lighter space, more light, I am using again little bit white on top of these colors and trying to mix it so that it will become much more lighter. And wherever I want dark color, I am using burnt sienna and trying to mix with finger. I am giving details in my jewelry part. So for jewelry you can change the colors too. I am also doing imaginary. Some part like some blue, red, green I am using as usually we see in Devi's jewelry. So for these details part also I am using my pencils only, because with stick it's difficult to work in small areas. And please try to keep one butter paper on the areas where you already finished, otherwise that color will come in your hand and it will not look good. Any color for jewelry, this is completely up to you. You can use working on crown jewelry. Then for hair part, I applied first brown color, then slowly I will add black color. It depends on each one's hair. Usually in realistic portrait I don't use black color, but in Devi's portrait here it looks like very dark. That's why I used black, but I didn't apply directly. First I applied brown color as you can see, and then only in some parts I added black, and then I mixed brown and black so it became very dark. For Gajra, I am using orange and brown color. I am working right now on some more hair which are close to the shoulder, and same way I applied first brown. Now I am working on necklace area. As you know, I did on jewelry on top of hair, mang tika and all. In the same way I am doing here. All details I am doing with soft pastel pencils. These are Creta color pencils. This is garland, so this is little bit white, red flowers, so just I am giving impression of that. I am not doing any details there, just adding some color there. Soft pastel, best thing is these are very fast. Now I am applying dark brown, burnt sienna for my background, little bit red also I am trying to add. And slowly I will mix all these colors and then see if it needed some more dark color I will add. So these type of paintings, if in acrylics or oil you will try, it will take maybe 4-5 hours or depends on your practice, but in soft pastel you can finish it fast. This I finish it in maybe 2.5 hours. If you have any confusion and you are trying, please you can comment on comment box. I will reply that. There are many videos available. Please subscribe so that you can see more videos, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much.